In this video, I'm going to show you how to see online friends on Facebook. So if you want to check out which of your friends is online on Facebook and which of them is not online, you can actually see the list of all your friends that are active now on Facebook. So if I download this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. However, here I'm going to show you two different methods that you can use to see active friends on Facebook without using the Messenger application. However, if you open the Messenger application on your Facebook, you can see all your friends that are active right now on Facebook, just like this, with this green indication. So that implies that my friends are all online. But if you don't want to use the Facebook Messenger application to see active friends on Facebook or online friends on Facebook, the first one to do is open the Facebook application just like this. Then while on your Facebook home page, click on the profile icon at the top right. Now come down here and you should see friends. Then you should see friends and the number of friends you have online. You can see I have 158 friends actively online. Then click on this. Once you click on that, then come here and tap online. Then you should see all your friends that are currently online. So these are my friends online. Now another way that you can use to see online friends on Facebook is click on the messenger icon at the top right. Then you should see active now. Under active now, you should see all your friends that are currently active on Facebook. So this is how you can easily see your friends that are currently online on Facebook. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.